Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I am going to show you the newest version of Amazon Product Scraper to scrap the products data from Amazon.com. In this video, you will see how I have extracted this data of products by using this latest version. So this is the tool that I have developed. I am a full stack developer and I also provide my web automation and data scraping services here. You can contact me if you have any custom projects. Now I am going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to scrap the products data by using the keywords. To run this tool, I'll send this zip folder to you. You will have to first extract it, and after that you will have to run this exe file. Well, today we are going to scrap the products by using the keywords. Here are three options. One option is to scrap the products by using keywords, by using the product links, and by using the category or supplier links. We are going to scrap products by using the keywords today. Let's type some keywords here, like once you type all of your keywords, here you can specify your number of products to be scrapped for each keyword. For example, I am going to type 50. It means 50 products will be scrapped under one keyword, and this option will export all the scrap data for each keyword separately. And before starting, go in the options to choose your desired data columns. I am choosing all. And this option is to apply the custom filters. I am checking this OK, and I show you how it works. Click Start button. OK. It is showing message to solve the CAPTCHA manually, and once you solve, it will search the first keyword on Amazon.com. Okay, now we had enabled this feature, request custom filters. Now it is showing message to apply the custom filters, and once we apply, all we need to just click OK button. It will then start the scraping process. So let's apply some custom filters here. Okay, once you apply your custom filters, click OK. It will then start to scrap each product one by one. Okay, it is now scraping the data. And to count the number of rows, right click at any column name and click show footer, and on the footer click count here. And here are other options, and this option is to download the images. I am clicking this OK, and it will now download the images in this folder. Here you can see it is downloading the images here. Here, and it is downloading the images with the name of ASIN code of Amazon. Okay, I don't need this feature right now, and this option is to save the data in the database. SQLite database system is integrated with this tool, and it is now saving the data in the database. Let me show you. Here the data is saving here as well. And this is email notification system. All you need is to type your email here and choose your time interval like this one, but in my case I am going to choose this one. Now it will notify me once it gets completed. Okay, we have specified 50 products for each keyword. It means there will be 150 products will be scrapped here. And to save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see the results, and I will show you how to export this scrap data into Excel file. Okay, the scraping is near to be completed and it has exported all the data, and it is now showing the message all products data have been scrapped and exported into external files. It has exported the files in this folder, and we had also specified that auto export for each keyword, and these were our keywords and these are exported now separately. Let's open one file. Now it has exported products. Here are 50 products, and it is same for the other keywords, and the file named with the current date and time, it has all the data of all products. Okay, now I show you how to export this scrap data manually. Click export button and specify your output location. I am choosing my desktop, and specify your file name here. And before exporting, choose your desired output format, and it will open the file after exporting. Okay, so this is our data and we can further edit this file. Let me show you how. Okay, our file is ready for use. Okay, and we had also specified the email notification system. Now I show you how it notifies. Okay, we have received an email. Now it is showing that it has scrapped 150 products and it is showing the application name here. Okay, so this is our tool, and if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools and their updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.